This book studies the social media jurisprudence of the Court of Justice of the European Union, the European Court of Human Rights, and 10 national Supreme Courts across Europe over the last decade. The book identifies and analyzes the relevant case law and examines the fundamental rights dimension in that case law. In particular, it focuses on the right to freedom of expression and its corollary, the right to information, the right to the protection of personal data, the right to respect the private and family life, and the right to intellectual property, among others. And the added value of the book is also that we look upon the instances of judicial dialogue between national courts and European courts. Digitalization has transformed society. The use of social media has expanded the possibilities for individuals to engage in the political, cultural, and social debates, obtain and disseminate information. So they exercise the right to freedom of expression every single day, every single moment. However, this digital revolution has also wielded several challenges, especially by facilitating the dissemination of illegal and harmful content. So legislator has started to intervene with the rules and regulation, raising a lot of debates regarding the pros and cons of such proposals. But less consideration has been given so far to the role of courts that are deciding upon the cases involving social media. Our analysis shows that the fundamental rights dimension is growing in importance. The European Court of Human Rights decisions shows that there are efforts to adapt the existing principles to the social media context. On the other hand, there are examples where the EU Court of Justice has missed the opportunity to engage with fundamental rights in cases related to social media. At national level, the situation is uneven because there are still a limited number of cases reaching Supreme Court, at least in some countries. So the book highlights some of the difficulties that Supreme Courts encounter, in particular the struggle to extend the application of existing provisions from traditional media to social media, and also the still limited guidance coming from the EU Court of Justice in interpreting EU provisions.